Hello. Cooking time. So I am cooking at the moment chicken korma. This is really. Rachel likes spicy but not too much. Oh. Children. How are we doing today, everyone? Are we all well? What's on the agenda on this Monday, beautiful Monday? Put that a little dry. Oh, smells divine. Rachel, can you smell it? Beautiful.
As you can tell, I'm not. As you can tell, I'm not in front of the camera.
For once. Coming in with the garlic. Put the garlic straight back in.
Whoa! And get the garlic because
The pizza.
I think you're.
So, we've got stir fry here. I don't know, who is that? We've got Miss Rachel the Queen and peace out. Oh, hold on. We've also got, can we see in here? Can we see? I'll go here. A little. Careful, children, do not. Oh, what are we cooking? Hello. What are we cooking?
Lasagna.
Yay! Exciting. We're prepping for the week. You gotta prep so you're not eating crap. Are we allowed to say that word? I'm of age. Yeah, we're not eating just. So this is our homemade herbs and spices, and we're not giving anyone the recipe. Are we, Rachel?
Can you guess what in it?
Have a guess. About 5 things in there. 5 things. Now we're going to do portions, guys. Come with me to do portions. Come with me to do some portions. Okay? We want a very organized bench. Come do portions with mix. Have to give
it the mayo in the fridge.
Yep, mayo and look. Rachel did that.
How can I want it over here?
So we're going to do portions. That goes back in the fridge straight away. Okay, we don't want that. I see Vegemite. Okay, now we're going to
Pork necessary was delicious.
tell. What did you have?
No.
Delicious. Delicious. These ones? 3, I think.
No. We mix the
Rice.
and the rice together. Yeah.
So I'm going to put in here then.
Oh, in small can.
I think smaller one. No, put it in here. Which one's Rachel, darling?
Yeah, they will.
Oh, let's go to these ones.
Yeah.
One, not that one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, this one too?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Okay.
And then some in here. And then.
Alright, I got
And
it.
maybe down.
Okay. You can't put curry in here because it stains it. It's my opinion. Right?
Whatever you do, you do.
What we got? Yoo-hoo! What do we have?
I'm okay, guys. I'm okay.
You okay?
Yep.
So we're doing rice and korma, rice and stir fry. With meal prepping for the week or until Thursday. If she's not gonna devour it and die. Are we sharing with Dad?
Yeah.
Give him one of each.
Only 2 of each.
Okay. Alright, Dad, we're coming for you with 2. What I'm gonna do? Mix it in here. Easier. The rice is a bit cold. Yeah. It's basmati.
Oh, I need more rice too.
You need more.
I'm so upset. Love it, guys.
We're gonna write that on our book, in our little pamphlet. Bless you, Rachel. Someone had prune juice today.
Not me.
Who had prune juice? Can you guess? Got basmati.
Why are you doing that for? You put it in the dinner.
Because it's too hot. It clumps. So you wanted me to mix
You
it
went
in
like from there.
straight in. That's for the curry. Separate.
Oh.
Hello. I get you. I do get you. See? And then I mix
Okay.
one for Dad. This one for Dad. Not much rice.
Yeah.
2. Not much. Okay. Good, great portions, Rachel. This means
And then lasagna would be 3 for Dad. And I just rest.
yes. I'm gonna taste one. Rachel.
Yeah?
Mm.
No.
Oh, good? The chef's got to
I'm
taste one.
take the sandwich.
That was a huge. Let's call it New York sandwich.
No.
Helen?
No.
I'm gonna put one more.
Big one. Big one.
No, there's not much rice for the korma.
Why that one there?
This one. I'm gonna pop it in here. No rice.
What?
It's alright.
Where's that one doing the freezer?
There you go. And you don't want to put the lid on. Or let's just pop it like that. Those are for the korma. Always be aware of your hair.
Actually, I've got any more rice.
Which?
Any more rice?
Yeah, for the korma.
I mean,
In here?
Yeah, in there.
Good. Oh, na. Na, da, 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 da. It's a rice mania. It's a rice mania. Alrighty, guys, back at me. So, what have we been up to? Wherever you're part of the world.